Are you in Ghana and looking for smart ways to make money online in 2025? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll share 10 proven ways Ghanaians are making money online, whether you're a student, a 9 to 5 worker, or just looking for extra income. Let's get started. First up, freelancing. Websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and TopTal allow you to offer skills like writing, graphic design, video editing, or programming. The best part? You get paid in dollars through Payoneer or Wise, perfect for Ghanaians. Number 2, YouTube. Ghanaians are blowing up with channels on football, entertainment, lifestyle, and even history. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can start earning from ads, sponsorships, and affiliate deals. Number 3, TikTok and Instagram. Short videos are trending worldwide. Ghanaians are going viral with comedy, fashion, and cooking content. You can earn from brand partnerships, affiliate sales, and even TikTok's creator program. Fourth, online tutoring. If you're good at English, math, or science, you can teach on platforms like Preply or Cambly. Or create your own courses on Udemy. Parents also pay for SHS and WASSCE tutoring online. Number 5 is e-commerce. You can sell clothes, shoes, and gadgets on Jumia, Tanatan, or Facebook Marketplace. If you don't want to hold stock, try dropshipping, where you sell products online and suppliers ship them directly to your customers. Sixth, print on demand. Create custom designs for t-shirts, mugs, and bags, and sell them on platforms like Teespring or Redbubble. Afrocentric designs sell really well internationally. Number 7, affiliate marketing. Promote products from Jumia, Amazon, or other companies and earn a commission. You just need a blog, YouTube, or TikTok page to drive traffic and sales. 8. Sell your photos, videos, beats, or templates online. Sites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, BeatStars, or Etsy allow creators to earn every time someone buys their work. 9. Remote jobs. You can work for or even a software developer. Sites like Deal, Remote.co, and We Work Remotely post job offers you can apply for right from Ghana. And number 10, crypto, forex, and online investments. Many Ghanaians are trading on Binance or investing in fractional shares on Bamboo and Shaka. But remember, this one is high risk, so learn first before you invest. And there you have it, 10 legit ways to make money online in Ghana in 2025.